Watch this video to learn how to add a new asset type to fixed assets in Xero. Asset types are how you categorize similar assets into groups. For example, computer equipment, motor vehicles, or plant and machinery. Use your existing fixed asset register if you have one to add the relevant asset types. To set up and manage fixed asset types, click the Overflow menu from the main fixed asset page and select Settings. To add an asset type, click New Asset Type. You must complete all the fields with the required information about the asset type, so Xero has standard details when you add a fixed asset. First, enter the name of the asset category in the Asset Type field, for example, office equipment. Use the Asset Account drop-down menu to select the chart of account code for the asset cost. In this example, we'll choose code 150 office equipment. Remember to check that your chart of accounts has all the asset codes you need to set up before you add the asset types. Next, choose the accumulated depreciation account. We'll select code 151 less accumulated depreciation on office equipment. Then, in the following field, choose the depreciation expense account. If you have a long chart of accounts, start typing the account name or code to find the correct account quickly. Choose the relevant code for your business. In this example, we'll choose code 700 depreciation. Moving on, we have the book depreciation default information. Select your depreciation method from the drop-down list. You can choose from no depreciation, straight line, declining balance 150 and 200%, and full depreciation at purchase. We'll choose declining balance for our example. This will be reducing balance if you're in the UK or diminishing value in Australia and New Zealand. You now need to choose your averaging method. Choose between full month, which is a simpler method of depreciation, or actual days, which allows for more detailed and accurate reporting. Next, choose whether to calculate depreciation using a rate or the effective life, which is the period you can use the asset for a specific purpose. The depreciation method you've chosen will determine the options available to select in the following field. Choosing straight line or diminishing value will allow you to select either rate or effective life. No depreciation or full depreciation at purchase requires no further information. Choosing declining balance at either 150 or 200% requires the calculation based on effective life. In this example, we'll choose rate. Once you've selected it, enter the rate or effective life details accordingly. For example, we'll enter 25, so Xero calculates 25% depreciation for office equipment assets. Once you've completed all the information, click Save to finish creating your new fixed asset type. Continue this process to add the rest of your fixed asset types.